Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about the namespaces in C Sharp and how they help to organize our complex code. So let's be started. A namespace basically in C Sharp is a container that helps you to organize your code and avoid naming conflicts by grouping related classes, interfaces, enums, and other types under a single namespace. Now, now let's me directly move uh, towards the development environment, and I will show you how we can use the namespaces inside the C Sharp. Now, for example, you are working on an e-commerce application and you want to organize your code like the products, the orders, the users. Okay. Now, inside the models, for example, I want to define classes for the orders and classes for the products. Now, let's me add here one another product folder, for example, products, and let's me add here one another folder, for example, orders. Okay. Now we are using the namespaces to organize our code, right? So inside the products, let's me add here a class. The class name will be, for example, products customer. Uh, let's suppose products info. Okay, .cs. And you can see when I add the class inside the products info. Here is our class public class products info, and it is our namespace automatically added using the C sharp. Now you can see that we are using the namespace keyword, and basically the namespace is like the folder and then the subfolder and then the subfolder. So our project name is learn C sharp, you can see, and here then we have the models folder, and inside the models folder we have the products folder. So all class is basically created inside these namespace learn C sharp, then models and products. Okay, I can also give another name to the namespace, but it is a good practice to keep the default namespace when we are adding the classes. Then we should use the default namespacing. Okay, now whenever I use this class in our application in other classes, then to access this class, I have to import this namespace. I will show you how we can import the namespace. Okay. Now let's me first here one another class. The class namely be order master.cs. Okay. And let's me keep the class is public. And now you can see that the namespace become like the project name, learn C sharp, and then models, the model folder, and inside, and then the orders folder. And inside the orders folder, we have the class public class master. Now this namespace created automatically by the C sharp. Okay. Now this means that we have a class inside like in this folder. Okay. Now to access these order master class inside any other class like products, the program.cs or anywhere, you have to import this namespace. For example, let's me add here one method, for example, public void print product name, and I will pass the product name here as a parameter. Okay, and also let's me uh, add one method to the order master class. Now let's me keep the name as print, or you can say show customer name, and then I will pass the name as a parameter to this function and I will print to the console. Now, how can I access these order master and products info classes inside the program.cs? Now, first, let's me copy the name of the class inside the. I will copy the name and then I will try to create an object of the products info. Let's me remove this one. Okay, products info product object, and then I will use the constructor. The Visual Studio IntelliSense automatically importing the namespace, but I want to show you how we can use them manually. Okay. Now you can see I am getting error. Compile time. The type or namespace name products info could not be found. Now, as I said earlier, to access this class, the products info, let me show you the class. It is inside this namespace. Now, to access this class inside the program.cs, I have to import the namespace. Now, to import the namespace in C Sharp, using the using keyword. You can see using and then the namespace. Okay. If I remove this line, Control S, and then if I mouse over these products info and then mouse over these, and if I click, the Visual Studio IntelliSense automatically give me that I should import the namespace. If I click this one, it will automatically uh, import the namespace inside the program.cs. Now let's me click. You can see that the namespace is imported. Now I can access this class. You can see I am not getting any error. No, let's me print the product name. Uh, uh, any product name like what should be the product name? Let's suppose laptop. Okay, and now let's me use this order master inside the program.cs. No, I have to use order master and the namespace automatically imported. Let's remove order object and then new keyword. I will use the constructor and I created the order object uh, of the order master class, right? But I am getting here the error. Now I have to import these namespace, right? Copy, go to the program.cs. I can automatically import by clicking on these, and you can also import it manually. Okay, now I can access the order master also. Order master dot show customer name. Let's suppose the customer name is Noor, right? Now I will show you the things side by side. Here on the right side, I have the console. No, I will run the program so that I can show you just the output. Okay. Now create the object, call the function. The laptop is printed because I use this print product name function, and this function is defined here, and it's printing the parameter. Now I am passing the parameter here laptop. Now let's me also execute these two lines, and you can see that the Noor is printed. Show customer name and show customer name function is defined inside here, and you can see I printed the message to the console. Now I use basically the namespace like in this way inside the C# programming language. So basically we are using the namespaces for several benefits like organization, uh, because namespaces helps you logically group related types, making your code easier to manage and navigate. And it also avoid naming conflicts. So they prevent naming conflicts by allowing the same class name to be used in different namespaces. Also, the namespaces provide code readability. The main purpose, I think, is to organize the code and the code readability. Now this means that the class is defined somewhere inside the modules folder and then inside the orders folder, right? Now we see the basic example how we can use the namespaces. So namespaces basically are a crucial feature in C# for organizing your code and preventing naming conflicts. Uh, it was the basic about namespacing. We'll see you with a new topic of this C# programming language series. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that I upload more content in the future for you people. Thank you.